Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom in 2026. So as you will see, I'm going to open up NetBoom right now and show you guys. As you can see, I got 12,000 coins. So I'm going to press this button and now I can add unlimited coins to my NetBoom. So guys, let's go ahead and press unlock and it's going to add me the coins. And then I'm going to show you guys how to get this NetBoom mod so you can get unlimited coins. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, so it says like verifying and all this stuff. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Propagating changes. All right. So now, oh my gosh, look at that. The coins are going up. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom just like this. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super cool, guys. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website matrixmods.com, look for NetBoom, press on it, press download. Now, before the mod downloads, there is going to be one more step, which is the verification. So during this step, we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official App Store, and then we're going to have the NetBoom mod. So I'm going to wait for this to load. And as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, additional files are required. So this is where we are now at the last step, which is where we need to download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. So for instance, Travel Town says reach level 10. So I just press continue, takes me to the App Store. I got to play it until I reach level 10. So yeah, you can see I'm just like playing this right here. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoy the video, be sure to try this out. Then go back to the list and we're going to do some more. So we got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. Mo Casino, follow instructions on the next page, which are to install the app and open it. So yeah, guys, if you press help, we got the video here. But yeah, this is super cool. So if you guys want to get unlimited coins on NetBoom, be sure to try it out. It's super insane, guys. And this actually works. So let's go to the App Store and see how expensive the NetBoom coins are. Also, you do not need the normal app installed. This is a separate modded version. But as you can see, guys, they are super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're not the paying type. But one thing I'll say is make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh turned on. And also make sure you got low power mode turned off. But other than that, guys, you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom 2026, guys. Super amazing. I mean, I am someone that's always on the hunt and I'm kind of skeptical, but this is real, guys. And also there is an anti-ban in here, so you guys are not going to get banned, which is awesome. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you want to get unlimited coins on NetBoom right now. It's super crazy, guys. This totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, that's how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom. Very crazy. And it's totally working. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. And you're going to be good to go. And I mean, you can make sure you get that low power mode off. Because what this is doing is making the device slow down to save battery. So we do not want that on. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So just make sure you get 2 of the apps. So obviously, I don't really know what is on your page, but I'm in the US. So these are the ones they have for me. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. Gonna be all set, and then you can get unlimited coins, guys, on the NetBoom. I mean, that is just super cool, guys. This totally works. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, there is anti-ban in here, so you guys are not gonna get banned, which is wild. So yeah, guys, try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom 2026 method. Super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, my crew. This is not for the faint of heart. It's for top dogs who are willing to take risks to get free NetBoom coins. And now this video is ready for you, so be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But that's how to get unlimited coins on NetBoom. Super crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out.